Hi, my name's Elaine. I'm one of the vets on Park Bench. I'm joined today with Steph, who's my vet nurse, and with Archie, who's going to help me demonstrate how to examine your dog's eyes at home. It's really important when doing anything with your dog, you do try and put your dog at ease. When looking at eyes, you're tempted to go straight in, but in actual fact, the best thing to do is have a look at your dog from a distance. Small amount of discharge is normal, and normal discharge can be anything from a white to grey to even a sort of brown colour. And that's normal doggy sleep, and it will collect in the corner of the eyes and can be wiped away during the day, and you may have to wipe it away more than once. If you notice any sort of yellow or green discharge coming from the eyes at all, then that tends to be an indication that there is infection present and more help should be sought. Very rarely should you treat eyes at home yourself, but it is perfectly okay to wipe any sleep or any of the grey to browny discharge out the dog's eyes with some cotton wool and some cool boiled water. So initially you've started off, you've assessed whether you feel there's a problem with your dog's eyes from a distance. Are they nice and bright and clear? Are they nice and shiny? Is there any discharge? Is there any change in the colour of the eye? Or are the dogs holding the eyes closed more than they would normally? Is that third eyelid coming across? And remember, the third eyelid is a small, fleshy, pink area that you'll sometimes see in the corner of the dog's eye. Now, after assessing the eyes from a distance, it's time to go up and have a closer look. And again, the most important thing in doing this is to put your dogs at ease. You may need a second pair of hands, and that's why Steph's on here to help. But if not, then again, don't go straight for the eyes. If you start by stroking the dogs down over their head and down the back of their neck, before moving forward to have a look at the eyes themselves. I'm going to pop one hand under his muzzle just to try and hold his head. I'm going to just put my thumb on top of his top eyelid and pull up slightly, and that allows us to assess whether there are any signs of inflammation in the eye, because the white of the eye should be nice and white. If there's any redness or any signs of irritation, again, that's an indication that there may be a problem with the eye itself, and you should have a chat to your vet about this. On the other side, again, we're just going to pull the top eyelid up, and that allows us to assess the white of the eye. I'm now going to pull the lower lid down, and I'm having a look at the nice pink area, and it should be a nice salmon pink colour, and the same at the other side. We can see in Archie that he doesn't have any discharge in the inner corner of the eyes, and he doesn't have any signs of irritation at all. So I'm quite happy that Archie's got nice healthy eyes. If you feel there is a problem with your own dog, or you're looking for further information or advice, if you visit the Park Bench pages, we should be able to help you further.